Hi, everyone. To all doctors out there, a very happy Doctor's Day. I am Dr. Nivedha Chakravarti, founder of MedCatalyst Academy. I know you've taken years of preparation, endless struggles, sleepless nights, sacrifices, a lot of self doubts to come to where you are today, right? So let us take a moment to appreciate ourselves on this day for choosing this profession that demands a lot of knowledge, compassion, and even courage every single day, right? Also, I would take this moment to thank all my students of MedCatalyst Academy for trusting me, for trusting my work for more than 3 years now. Yes, I'm happy to say that we've crossed more than 3 years. So you students are a true inspiration for me to continue my work. So likewise, I wish all of you all happiness and success throughout your life. Thank you.